Oh, delicious homemade bread made by a child cook. Its name is KALVA. Be with me to show how to make it.
Hello, it's me.
Yes, it's me. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to another session with me. Oh, I'm sorry, not with me, with us. Actually, my brother and me. Yes, it's me. Let's go to show you beautiful something. You know, with me and my little brother. My brother is a cook. You know, let's go to cook a delicious bread. This is fucking crazy because I'm making a local bread with a steel mug, and I'm teaching you this for example. Am I okay?
I don't know.
Who's he?
I don't know.
My little brother imitates me and does this very strangely with a glass mug. What we doing in here? I don't know. A cook child? This is very helpful for us. Oh, this is the end. Fresh bread baked by Busy Baby. Oh, I'm sorry, BB. Fresh bread baked by Busy Boy. Now it's ready for cook. Yes.
Oh my God!
Let's go. First thing first, I'ma say out the word into my head. I'm fried up the way that things have been. Ooh, first, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you want to think I could be. Ooh. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching us and your Nature Boys TV. Support us, we love you forever. We are here to show beautiful and funny something. Support and subscribe your channel.